Hi, this is Tina with OSnapLet'sEat.com. Today, I'm going to show you how to make chicken mushroom stir fry. This Chinese chicken mushroom stir fry is a simple recipe that makes a delicious entree. It's made with chicken, mushrooms of your choice, scallions, and more. Sometimes I also add dried red chili peppers to add an extra kick too. Here's what you'll need. For the marinade, you're going to want 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 2 teaspoons of honey, and 3 cloves of garlic, minced. You'll also need 1 pound of chicken thigh cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil separated, 8 ounces of mushrooms sliced to smaller pieces as needed, 2 scallions cut into 1-inch slices, and salt as desired. In a mixing bowl, combine chicken with the marinade ingredients and set aside. Let it marinate for at least 15 minutes. You can marinate up to overnight, but place it in a refrigerator if you're marinating over 30 minutes. When you're ready to cook, in a wok or cooking pan, heat up 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and add garlic. Stir fry for about 30 seconds, then add the chicken and stir fry until the meat is slightly browned. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove from heat and set aside. If the pan is not oily enough at this point, you can add another tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add the mushrooms and stir fry for about 3 minutes. Then add the chicken back into the pan. Stir fry until chicken is cooked thoroughly. Sprinkle the scallions and salt to taste. Stir everything together to mix well and then remove from heat and serve. And that is how you make chicken mushroom stir fry. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious Asian recipes.